Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my hair. So this is basically a hair care routine and slash a Q&A about my hair. So I asked you guys on my Instagram, which is Kim K Mann Beauty. I asked you guys to ask me a bunch of questions to do with like hair, just in general. Also guys, let me know what you're thinking of this makeup. I just randomly did it and then I decided that I wanted to film a video. If you guys would like to see me do a makeup tutorial on this look, let me know, because I used a lot of new drugstore makeup, like really cheap affordable products. Like this eyeshadow palette was £4, so yeah, let me know if you'd like to see a makeup tutorial. Yeah, okay, first of all, I'm just going to take you through kind of like my routine and what I use for my hair, the products I use. Okay, so the thing that's probably most interesting to you guys is what I use in the shower. Throughout the years of my life, I've tried a lot of different shampoo and conditioners, and I just kind of stuck to what my mum bought like on offer. Like those shampoos, I just used whatever was in the house, and for ages I used the Herbal Essence, I forgot what the brand's called. The Herbal Essence Moroccan My Shine, like the blue bottle one, which it was okay. It was really nothing special. It was not a bad shampoo and conditioner, but it just did really nothing for my hair. Then I tried like the L'Oreal ones, like the Extraordinary Oil one, and I thought that'd be really good because if you don't know, I have such thick hair. Like I have so much hair, and it probably doesn't look it in like videos and stuff, but this is how much hair you can see, but behind I've literally got so much more. So yeah, I have a lot of hair. And also, if you're wondering like what my hair type is like, I'd say it's very dry, to be honest. When it's like straightened or curled, when I apply heat to it, then it looks silky, but when it's just my natural hair, it's very dry and just kind of like coarse, and it's very frizzy. But if I don't brush up my hair properly when it's like natural, then it just kind of goes into like little waves, kind of curls, which I much prefer that look compared to like frizzy afro. Nothing against that, but it's just too much for me to manage. I've tried a lot of shampoo and conditioners, but the ones that have worked best for me, I use these ones for a solid like 6 to 8 months, like non-stop, and I just noticed such a difference in my hair. It was a lot more silkier, like the curls were more formed instead of being more frizzy. Added so much moisture back into my hair, which I definitely needed after like so much heat damage. Like my hair is, I feel like it's kind of grown out now, like all the heat damage, but it was really badly damaged when I had long hair, but I kind of cut it all off. So the brand that I use is Aussie, and the range that I use from Aussie is the Miracle Moist collection from there. I don't really know. So it's a shampoo and the conditioner. They are so good. They are a little bit more on the pricey side. I don't really know what to call those shampoo and conditioners, like the ones that you buy in like Boots and Tesco's, I don't know, like supermarket kind of brands. It's definitely more on like the pricey side of that, but in comparison to actual high-end shampoos, like they're not that expensive at all. There's normally a deal going on with them. I think it's like 2 for 10 or 3 for 12 or something like that. They're not the cheapest out there, but I feel like if you have like really high maintenance thick hair, which is just like effort, then you want to get like a good shampoo and conditioner, and not just kind of like the cheapest one on offer, because that's going to do nothing for your hair, trust me. I stopped using these like a couple months back. I have no idea why, and my hair went back to being frizzy and horrible, but ever since I've gone back to using these, it's just much more manageable. By the way, this is not my natural hair. I've straightened it and then curled it. It takes a long time to style. Even still, like it takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to straighten my hair. I don't always straighten my hair, but yeah, sometimes it is really nice to just have straight hair, and I could just feel like so much more put together. So yeah, anyway, this is the shampoo and conditioner I use. I really highly recommend it to anyone who has thick hair. I feel like even if you have thin hair, this would work really well for you as well. Like I love this as the holy grail like shampoo and conditioner for me. I absolutely love them. They aren't like the biggest bottles, so like you don't get that much in there. They don't last me very long. If they could do like a massive bottle of this, I would love it. But yeah, this is a shampoo and conditioner that I use. Highly recommend it to everyone to try. Okay, so there's really only like one other hair product which I use. I actually don't use a lot for my hair. I feel like less is more. I feel like that's the same with skincare. I don't do a lot for my skincare either, and my skin is like fine. The only other product which I really recommend, I've just repurchased this because I've ran out for ages and I just needed it. Like, you know when like you don't realize how much you love something until it's gone, and like I haven't had this in ages and I've realised how much I just needed it, so I had to go and buy some more. So it's a John Frieda Frizzy's Perfect Finish Polishing Serum, and it boosts shine and controls flyaways. Again, if you have really frizzy hair, all you need is like a little squirt of this. You rub it into your hand, brush it through like the lengths of your hair, and it just adds such a shine to your hair. It makes your hair look really super healthy, and it adds like, again, a lot more moisture into the ends of your hair, so that like my ends of my hair feel so like nice and soft because I've used this in them. I've curled my hair, and before it was looking kind of like frizzy, and I put some of this in and then it just softened everything through. I use this on my natural hair as well, obviously, because it again controls the extent of hair I have. I feel like it just makes me feel like I have less hair, which is always what I'm trying to do. I think this is around $6.99. So now I'm going to answer some questions that you guys left me. So how do you keep your hair so healthy even when it's long? I think just use good quality like shampoos. Don't just use the cheapest one on offer. I don't know, I feel like shampoo and conditioner is the most important thing, and also not applying too much heat. Like, I don't apply nowhere near as much heat as I did like 3 or 4 years back. I used to straighten my hair every week, and now I just kind of leave my natural hair. If you do have like really kind of like frizzy hair like me, just try and find a different way of styling it. The way that I try and like get it all out of my face, like if you have a lot of hair, is I do that hairstyle where I put like, okay, it looks stupid now, but I put half my hair up and then do it in like a little bun up there, so just like a half up half down kind of thing, and it keeps it all out of my face. How do you straighten your baby hairs? Well, my baby hairs aren't actually like that long. I just straighten them with the rest of my hair. And then these bits, I hate these bits so much, because when I straighten them they just literally get curly because I'm always going like that with my hair. So yeah. So someone else has asked, what's the best way to keep your hair healthy whilst using heat on it? I guess use a heat protectant spray, but I never do that, which is kind of bad, but I don't know, I guess use a heat protectant spray. Someone else asks, what hair tools do you use? I don't know if you mean like hairbrush. I'll just show you anyway, you probably don't mean this, but yeah, this is my hairbrush. It's the Wet Brush Pro. These are really popular on YouTube, like I don't know why, but they just are. But yeah, I got mine from HomeSense for like $3.99. I feel like hairbrushes are also really important to keep your hair healthy. So yeah, I've seen so many people like talk about these on YouTube. I heard Alice talk about these as well, I'm pretty sure. And basically the reason why they're so like raved on about is because, first of all, like the bristles on here are really long, which if you have thick hair, it means that you can actually get into the root of your hair and like brush it out like that, and like actually get out all the knots. Also, the bristles on here are super flexible, so like they aren't damaging to your hair. So yeah, that's all I really know about this. And then to straighten my hair, I just use average GHDs. Someone else asks, how do you keep your hair so thick? For me, it's just genetics. Like, I just have thick hair because my mum has thick hair. It's just like natural, like I just have this much hair. I don't do anything to make it thick. I know people use like thickening treatments and shampoos, which I don't know if they work because I've never tried them. It's just literally natural. My mum has thick hair, so I have thick hair. So Lizzie asks, if you could have any hair colour, what would it be? I honestly think I would just go lighter, because my hair is like pretty like much the same colour. There's only a bit of lightness here, but probably just lighter, like a lighter brownish. So someone else asks, how many times a week do you wash your hair? I wash my hair like once or twice a week, basically once every 5 days, but like my hair just doesn't get greasy. I've always washed my hair like that, like always have washed it once or 2 times a week. Say I wash it on a Sunday, the next time that I will wash it will probably be on like a Friday or Saturday, purely for the reason that my hair just doesn't get greasy, and I don't want to get into the habit of washing my hair like every other day or every single day, because first of all I have a lot of hair to wash, and like that would just be so much effort, and I really just don't have the time to wash my hair that much. But just, it's literally purely for the fact that my hair just doesn't get greasy. Like, when I do straighten my hair, it gets greasy quicker because you've applied heat to it. So I don't know, it just gets greasy quicker. So it's not that I have dirty hair, because I don't have dirty hair. But yeah, that's just how many times I wash it. I don't need to wash it any more times than that. I don't want to wash it any more times than that. 1 to 2 times a week is enough for me. But if any of you guys are like stuck in the rut of like washing your hair every day, and you want to like not wash it that much, then say in the summer holidays just try like going 2 days without washing your hair, then try going 3 days without washing your hair. You've kind of got to like build it up. Like the reason why your hair gets so greasy so quick is because your hair is used to being clean, so therefore it like produces like grease and oils quicker because it knows that it's gonna get clean. Sounds stupid, but like your hair is used to that routine, so you've just kind of got to like break yourself out of that routine. Okay, so that's all the questions I'm going to be answering. If you have any more that I've left out, leave them below. If you did find it useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't find it useful, give it a thumbs up. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.